Man, came up on a bad motorcycle accident. Ain't no way. That's why I don't ride no bikes. You gotta be careful. Yeah, real careful, man. Hopefully the guy's okay. Traffic wasn't too bad, but man, let's pray for him. That's why I ain't trying to get no bike, cause I know I ain't gonna be here. And it don't even have to be me speeding or going pretty fast, but you just gotta be careful, man. And sometimes, the majority of the time, it'll be the person driving the bike itself. I mean, driving the car is pretty bad. Got people run you run the lights, yellow light real quick, and just be speeding through. I'll be like, see, there it go. It's crazy. Definitely crazy. But I gotta be careful, man. Please be careful. Just pray that you live every day. You wake up in the morning and pray that you live another day. But that bike is dangerous though. And I understand why people like it, but I just couldn't do it. I could not do it. And you ain't got no type of protection. I'm just trying to fall down and drop the bike and everything too, so arm be all scratched up. That's crazy. I think I heard they use metal wire brush to take the debris from the ground asphalt out this thing. Ain't no way. That right there will motivate me not to get no vehicle. So it's crazy. But y'all try to be careful, man. I ain't seen nobody lay a bike in a long time, and that's even more crazy. Yeah, just witness somebody knocked off the bike, and I hope they're okay. He gonna hit damage regardless, but man, just to get hit, and don't be speeding either. So that's crazy. But yeah, that's all I witnessed. Somebody get hit. But yeah, be careful out there. Bye bye.